Hello, crafting friends. It is Friday, February 16th, and my paper pumpkin arrived yesterday. So I thought I'd let you see what's in the paper pumpkin kit before I tear into it and start crafting. I was really ready to, and then I said, oh, I better show everybody. So this is how your paper pumpkin comes in this cute little box. My upstairs neighbor thought I got a box of chocolates. Isn't that cute? So you open it up, and there is what you see. Welcome to Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is the subscription kit service that Stampin' Up! Has, and you can get either try it for 1 month, or you can get a 3-month, I believe a 6-month, and also a 12-month subscription, prepaid subscriptions. And every month you get a kit, and there's cards, and there's home decor, and there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. Sorry it's loud and crinkly. But there is everything you need to get your crafting done. In your very first kit, you get your stamp block, and you make sure you don't, see? Be sure to keep it where you can find it for future projects. All of the Paper Pumpkin kits, their stamp sets fit on these blocks. So make sure you don't lose your stamp block. And you get an ink spot. This is a 1-inch square stamp pad. And every month Stampin' Up! Has, oh, let me think. I'm not sure. I don't want to say a wrong number, but they have a lot of different color inks, plus all the ink colors. So every month they change the color, so it takes you quite a long time to build up a collection of all the ink colors, but I was so excited that this one was early espresso because I do not have early espresso yet. So I'm excited to use this one. It's a nice dark brown color. I have a couple other ones. I have a collection of about 8 of them. And then here is some tear tape and some twine that you're going to need for your projects. Here are the pearl embellishments and some dimensionals, and then some extra little flat embellishments. Here is your stamp kit. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Nice little stamps. There's a bunny. Let's see. There's a bunny and some daffodils and a little chick. And then this says, welcome baby. So you can use this for far more than springtime or Easter. And then this says springtime greetings. And then there's a happy Easter stamp. And it comes with, it does not come with a stamp case. This was an extra stamp case that I had. But it comes with this image artwork. So you can put it in your stamp case just like you would get in any other Stampin' Up! Photopolymer stamp set and keep it in the stamp case. So that is what I will do to keep it safe for now. And then here's all the pieces for the projects. So this kit, here's the instruction sheet. I'll show you that again in a minute, but it comes with these 3 projects. So there's 6 cards, 6 traditional sized greeting cards, and then 6 what we call slimline cards. They're thin. And then there's 3 treat boxes. So here are the treat boxes that you can put together. And then here are your cards. 3 with the little bunnies on them. So cute. Oh, we'll get to those in a second. And then your 3 slimline cards. And then here's your envelopes. The slimline envelopes and the traditional size envelopes. And this is your ephemera, or your extra pieces that you punch out and you use to decorate your cards or your box, which you will find in your direction sheet. So you open up your direction sheet, and all your projects are on it. And there's project number 1 is the card with the bunny, and it shows you which pieces of ephemera you're going to be using. You stamp your happy Easter. Let's see. Oh. So you use this banner here and stamp Happy Easter. My neighbors are slamming in and out, sorry. And then you just punch it out, and it shows you even on here where you put your dimensionals on the backs of the pieces and how to lay them out. Isn't that great? And then it shows you where to put your little embellishments. And then project 2 is the little box, and then that's what you use this banner for. Springtime greetings. So adorable. Oh no, that's the card. I'm sorry, that's the slimline card. That's the slimline card. And then here's how you put the box together. Sorry about that. There's how you put the box together. It shows you where to put the tear tape, make a bow. It's a great little kit. This is a great thing if you're new to paper crafting, if you're new to stamping. It's a great thing to get to try it out. This kit also comes with an additional, it's an additional $13. You can order a die set that coordinates with, it coordinated with last month's Paper Pumpkin, this month's, and next month. And you get 4 dies. It does not come on a magnet. I had the magnet myself. And this says love, and there's a nice leaf, a banner cut out, and then a daffodil. And here's what they look like. Very nice, right? That's very delicate, the love. And this fits on the mini. This will fit on the mini embossing machine if you are interested in that. And let me show you, I did use them on a different project that I had going. I was making these samplers, and then there's the love right down here, and then here's a couple of those leaves that I cut from, one from Designer Series paper, and then a couple of others from cardstock. From cardstock. There's another leaf. It's really a very versatile little kit. It's a nice little addition to have with your die sets. So, that is the Paper Pumpkin kit for February 2024. If you're interested, you can click on my shopping link, which will be in the description box, and then just follow the link for Paper Pumpkin. When I make one of these projects, I'll make sure I post a picture on my Facebook page. That's Stampinopolis on Facebook. And my blog is on Blogspot. Look for stampinopolis.blogspot.com. And until then, thanks for watching and have a great night.